What's up guys, Mark Augustine here, and in this video I'm going to talk about Facebook Shops product research strategy. So that's drop shipping on Facebook Shops and the product research strategy you can use to get sales on Facebook Shops. So like the video, subscribe to the channel, ask me in the comment section anything you need, look in the description for the links to my groups and so on. So what is Facebook Shops? Why you want to know how to do product research? Can you dropship there? So you can dropship there. Facebook Shops is a new section on Facebook that allows you to build an actual online store, upload hundreds or thousands of items that go feed into the Facebook marketplace, and you can now sell those items. Now, one of the biggest suppliers, or two of the biggest suppliers that people are using on Facebook Shops now are Amazon and Walmart, believe it or not. And this strategy that I talk about is simple. Now, I've used it a bit. I personally like the strategy of using Seek Analytics, but it takes a little more time. So and I'll have another dropship on the channel, Marco, who's going to talk in more detail about the strategy. But what these guys are doing, I've tried it a bit, I'm not an expert, but Marco and some other guys who I know dropship on Facebook Shops are doing the same thing. They are going to Amazon or Walmart. They're choosing a category. They're ordering the items by best-selling items, and they're scraping the top maybe 5 pages of those items and uploading them directly to Facebook, raising the price by 25 to 30%, and that's it. No, they're not changing the titles. They might change the image. The description is the same, and that's it. So they do that at scale on a daily basis. As you monitor, let's say after a week of listing, you'll see the items that are getting views, the items that are not. Some items will sell. You delete the items that are not selling and not getting views, and you keep what's the word I'm looking for? You keep doing the same thing, repeating that same process where you're listing, deleting. But you have to have a Facebook shop that has marketplace activated or enabled, so when you're listing, these items end up in the search and marketplace, and that's the basic strategy of product research to dropship on Facebook Shops. So you're using Amazon or Walmart, you could even use Home Depot. You systematically go through different categories, find items that are already selling and upload. Now it's not the most fine-tuned, but because of the volume of items that you could upload on Facebook Shops, it works. Sorry guys, like the video, subscribe, let me know in the comment section how I can help you, smash that like button for real, hit the bell notification and subscribe because I'll be coming out with a lot more videos showing you guys how to do all this stuff. Have a go. If you want to purchase a Facebook shop with the marketplace enabled, please let me know in the comment section or in one of the groups. Have a good one guys, peace.